Igbo bunda manjemoni Igbo murunte mozo emani nge mutino nekene nge n'ụbọchị nke tata. Biko eji maka this arrest Soludo na-eme wee making wee bịa, and also to use this very opportunity to talk to all the Rev Fathers against against this arrest. Father Philip ko Father Gina Mafia nke bụ punk. There is something that you wrote this morning in I say that na Soludo is being biased na arrest on him, and that's not a me ndị omenala arrest will happen the ndoka. Then ibiana ndoka he will say many adoration ministries name arrange this thing. Now I want to inform you one thing that you don't know, because who ninja hapolo the main picture Goshiki ne look to when they look amamu unejilo in their eyes when afu yendo ye Soludo na afu. There is a statement that Soludo made that I love so much. Also that now that near that day against religion and that everybody with freedom of speech, but now you are monkey based, why you are the real ones. Have you ever seen since Soludo may arrest if you to go cause that name arrest in Pamad somebody bogoteru na age ma what is omenana ma what it takes to be a this thing omenana if you to ngia unmehon online na koyene release because you people feel like that is why you just support and all these things. But tomorrow you will go to church and start giving Holy Communion. Who told you that Soludo is kicking against Omenana? Who told you that? You think that Soludo don't know what he's doing? You think Soludo amalo iye neme bila iye nobodo? That means all these things that is happening is still in their well, or they happy that those things that our young youth na nani because of this stupid ads haneme online, because of nonsense haneme online. You after but just couldn't check Hamas on Sunday but you people don't even care about human souls. Look at our young men, young women na Anambra today and Enugu. If you haneme instead of feature you hageji balo huru chakolu more Choafia Jesua Ifuhana Kedibia. Now let me ask you, Father, you that is saying that Soludo is being biased. That native doctor may arrest. Did you see his house? Nobody should quote me wrong, nobody should misunderstood me, I mean to say. I'm not jealous of him or his weight or whatever. But did you see the kind of house that guy built? How old is he? When did he finish his secondary school? And when did he start making money? How is he making money? What is he doing for a living aside that native doctor? Or how go enough money already and got a hotel to use it and back up Aloha Mofo ye already a jelo 1 or 2 so that tomorrow buniji is a name or signal ye daughter. Before that hotel and this house, this guy in now, what Ginko name for living? Ginko name for living that gave him millions of naira to build house, millions of naira to buy cars. Do you know how much it takes in this country to build a house? Do you know how much it takes to buy a car? The car he's buying is not car of 10 million. It's not even car of 15 million. We are talking about car of 40 something to 30 something. Ginka this boy is name. Ginka kwokoko name. Forget the fact that no hotel of recent. Anjalo hotel had no good more than 7 years. I even went far. Owe hotel akwokoko or hotel this abino. Iya na chaka mane no could leloko. Owe hotel had no more than 5 years. No good more than 5 years. Before then, Ginka Haneme where we take go Hajiwelu other hotel. Have you ever asked these questions? How many times can this man name Libya portal online ne kuku otu ụmụaka 15 years si abịa na nke ya na ha na-eme na ha na-agwọ ọgwụ ego. How many times have you watched his video? Full otoche ti ha ihe, teacher here sees ha, all their parents. These are the people. And these are the people that knows what omenala means. And he always say in his video that there is nothing like Igbo ego. Also, yeah, we business on them, despite that na obe a native doctor. Some of them did not even. Some of them are not Christians. But you will never see them involved in this stupid act. You will never see them involved in it. I want you to take a look at this picture. Since this arrest started, did you notice there's some Aluaneme minimized? Before you gana no banatolo yenka na Anambra oji menka ejigbo mad menka menkos. I'm not saying, don't quote me wrong, I'm not saying that na okoko gburu mad mo abino ochako maka no gburu mad. I'm not saying that. But those young boys how they deceive. Those boys Ginka Haji, I have asked this question several times. Ginka Haji mo kite. Ginka Haji agwo this up. Ginka Haji make all these things. And after Kabochal Hogo, all these people hana Okorogo, what are they doing for a living? And Azafia Kei Haneme, he got a young boy of 19 years. Oh, he came for one day, now moto kamba moto. A very small boy, bike can I mean to say, because all streets beyond. iPhone, the latest iPhone. I don't think na this guy. To tell you that this guy Bobelenwa, there is nothing like BS now here. He looks as if he's a young boy of 15, 16 years. Surprisingly, what are these boys doing for a living? Unone defend Alu online in the name of Numbu Rev Father. Una the lucky that na. I don't know how I'm seeing this, but honestly speaking, I wait for Father Kevin Ugu, Father Chidi Philip, and all these Reverend fathers to put online. They defend Alu that always fight against right thing. You people are not worthy to call a Reverend Father or even give a holy communion or take confession of anybody. The other time I saw Reverend Father Genwankana or the Kebubedike Kona Boegu this thing online. Take care very personal. I can't even remember. I think one of all these celebrities now Boegu online. People are hailing him. What are you showing people that imana before? Before ona bo made chime yo na ezoko wi ezoko kamade hafefia. But these days people don't care. They don't care about children that is coming up. Do you know how corrupt you people are? How you people are damaging the mind of young ones that is growing up. He put online where the court. He said that now all these adoration ministries that they should make. I'm not against Soludo. He fish out those pastors, reverend fathers that is fake. I'm not against it. But what I'm against is you defending Ochakomaka and Abino and this all these sets they deceive youth. That is why you people don't even like our brothers Hugo, because he sees what I'm seeing that you people are not seeing. Oh yeah, na say now mother na fool with inner eyes. You people don't see it. What you people get, I don't even understand your point of this thing in there online. You are not happy that they arrested him. You are not happy that they arrested Akwoko. Abi? Why people no online? I wait for this year. Since last year I've been doing video. You go make video and say I don't want to eat. But honestly speaking, any reverend father or pastor that decided to come online and insult himself, I will help him out. I will help him out. Since you people don't know what is good and what is bad, then I will help you people out and teach you. I can say can with alone. For those of you that is coming on in comment section to tell me, young girl, go and sit down. You are still growing. Cause Oga, madam, let me tell you something. You know nothing, absolutely nothing. If you know what is culture, if you know what is tradition, you won't be saying it. Go back. If you still have grandmother or you still have grandfather or any grandparent, go back and ask them questions. People that can tell you the truth will tell you that what these children, what this he goes not online and stupid fellows not online name a blood tradition. Go and ask. Go back and ask. Go back to your drawing page and ask questions. Go back to your drawing board. Think. Kema that niha nema block culture. They are not doing Igbo tradition at all, and I'm fully in support. In fact, Soludo, I'm happy that you are doing this, but there is one thing, please, I beg you in the name of God. If you there is one man, HFGO Mafia, Nabu every year on a buffalo, Amurokan do Kela White Nuku. He's also involved. All these native doctors, Neweluya, that know nothing about traditional nonsense online. If you can, in fact, ichi jiha, welu hakahana asalu gefele na ya fine and good, but don't let them come out again. These people are deceivers, bunch of fools, not online. I can say come with Teruni Bundaman Gemon. It was a way Gawiri Shigi corner transformer. No, this is my own opinion. I don't like the fact they are deceiving our young grown-up children. Simple as ABC. Go and look for work and stop doing okite in a general mirror. Or in case I just one crocodile, one was none of that after crocodile well after. Obuni nefene zoku, or what you are doing is the real one. Kebu na crocodile am after biazage when you needed him. No time man, na crocodile and he need their most. Uye boputa beta koshanda and nchabiadi mega arrest. Ochaka bin omaka wa mahama. Uye boputa tali shehama. Why gejibia me oye nefe oye na to yali na media arrest. But just no oye wane na yourself disappoint age to tell you nothing is working. Even ato eze obi kubana alubi udo no this boy lo. Able say we take go madam malo. Omakana Nigeria that work the way it's supposed to be. If not, oyobuna can give account of 5 naira but an account and keep polon. Bachakwalu na owu na ya this online. Obo na emezo but emezo. Some people are not maybe. That is why we are here. We are where we are today. Kwanum kolam no ni bunda manjemon. Mala so nipe makwana so nana ekene pwe mu.